I love entertaining and creating family feasts, and I hate the mess. And that's why I love the flat stacks, because this little sack here will replace that whole dirty sink. You can prep, cook, serve, store everything. And the best thing about them, they're lightweight and so easy to clean. Hi, I'm Julie, founder of Flat Stacks. And I'd like to introduce you to my beautiful daughter, Courtney. And today we're going to show you a little bit about our flat stacks. They are amazing space-saving silicone collapsible containers, but now we also have our brand new ovenware range. Like our original flat stacks, they can be used in the fridge, freezer, microwave, dishwasher, in any order. The main difference though, they are made from a thicker silicone, so not only will they work in all of your original appliances, they're going to go in the air fryer, the barbecue and the oven. And the easy thing to tell them apart is the lid from the ovenware is pure silicone, all silicone, and the lids on the original flat stacks are a hard lid. The great thing about the soft ovenware lids is you can actually use them as a heat-safe mat. So when you're pulling things straight out of the oven, straight onto your lid there, and it keeps it nice and protected. The other great thing about all of our lids, I don't know if any of you struggle with your container drawers at home, but I can't stand fishing for lids. So with ours, you can actually store things in the drawers with their lids on. So no more losing lids and no more fighting with your drawers. So not only did the flat stack save you a ton of space in your cupboards and drawers, but they actually flatten to the level of their food. So as you're eating or taking out of it, if you only fill the container halfway and you want to free up some space in your fridge and freezer, you just lift up this little air vent on top, then you put your hands on top, squish it down to the level, lock that back in, and once it's locked in, completely airtight and liquid tight. So airtight keeps all your vegetables fresher longer, and look how super organized this fridge is. And as you can see in the crisper here, I'll just pop the grapes into that little spot there. And this is special for fresh lettuce that will stay fresher for so much longer. And save you lots of money. Do you struggle with all these heavy pans, glass trays for cooking and baking? Let me just pop this on the scale to show you. Crazy, over 5 kilos. For those of you that haven't cooked with silicone before, it's so easy to use, so flexible, so durable, and just pop it down like that. And as you can see, we've now got a proper baking tray. Also, unlike glass, like if you were to cook that quiche in the glass, it'd be so hard to clean. With silicone, it just slides straight off, so easy to clean. On top of that, so much lighter. Isn't that? Yes. And I'm back in the kitchen because of ovenware, and I've been baking my bread. I want you to know that you can use your ovenware for all of the steps of making bread. So you can, once you've kneaded, you're proofing it, or what I call grow the dough, and then you slice it into little pieces, pop it in, and you've got beautiful fresh bread rolls. And then when you want to serve, just pop it down, take it to the table. Everyone will think you're amazing, and you're gonna love it. Flat stacks come in so many different shapes and sizes. This set here though is our signature set, our most popular, perfect for meal prepping. I love this set, I use it on a regular basis. This set here is our little mini snack pack set, which I love. Earlier today I actually prepared this for my niece, some little snacks on the go. The next range I'm going to show you is our ovenware range, but it's the smallest sizes in our ovenware range. So these ones here are great for the air fryer. You can put that straight in the air fryer and save cleaning out the mess. And then from there, we've got our mid-range, which I love. This one here is our square one. We've actually got a baked cheesecake in there, which I'll just pop down to show you quickly. We've also got our beautiful round one here that we've just done a cobbler in the air fryer. That's one of my favorites. And if you're entertaining or cooking for the family, we're actually celebrating a special occasion tonight. So in the large flat stacks ovenware, which is the baking size tray, we've got the potato bake, a favourite of our family. And if you've got any leftovers, then you can easily just pop the lid on and put them back in the fridge and store the leftovers. We are so proud to be an Australian family-owned business and have helped over 100,000 people organise and bring joy and fun back into cooking and baking, and you just gotta love flat stacks ovenware, right, Court?
100%.
And they're completely risk-free. They come with a full 30-day money-back guarantee, a 5-year replacement warranty. Please click the link below to check out what offers we have on special today.